Good morning from Georgia World Congress Conference Center, SECO 2021, where Popshap again is doing and helping exhibitors and organizers all the efforts to bring people back safely into trade shows, supporting the industry. What I'd like to show with the construction in the background is how the process is unveiling. There are a few entrances here. This is the first one. Follow me, I'll show you how they set it up. So as you walk in, as you can see, we're in the early stages of the setup. People will start coming around 10 o'clock this morning, but this is one of the entrances that will ultimately lead into the registration. If you follow me, I'll show you how this works. You have to QR this in order to get the questionnaire. You can also get a text the day before the show, so you can come and just present the pass. Otherwise, you can scan it on the spot as you walk into the registration. One of our lovely Popshap thermal kiosks is here. You're going to scan in your temperature.
Please get close for taking temperature. Normal temperature.
It's going to make me wear a mask.
Please wear a mask.
Then I'm going to get the green light. From this point, you're going to get a wristband. And we'll pass that point. There's two nice people are going to give you one of those wristbands, and then you're going to be escorted to registration to verify your badge. Once you have your badge, there are three other points of entrance. As you can see, this is the registration booth. You see how spacious everything is during COVID, just to allow flow of income of people 6 feet apart. Social distancing is very important, and we'll walk into the other entry point to show you how we did things there. Thank you. So now we're at the second entry point, where here you can see we have three general admission points where you can have three spots where audience is going to come in. Still, social distancing, very wide setup. You can go to any of those spots. Again, the QR code is going to be displayed, so you can scan, get your wellness check, then you go through one of those entry points into the show. Follow me, I'll show you how it's done. So as you can see, this time we have the mask, full admittance, and we're done. And this is the entry point to the show. As you can see, everything is set up. We're very excited to be here, obviously, back in live shows, and we want to thank Shepherds for allowing us to participate in the SECO 2021. We'll see you at the show. Thank you.